So should we proceed? What are the generalities? Generalities आपने काफी बोले. One of them is constriction, burning. So we'll just see. Now you'll understand why the constriction, why the burning. Burning because of the inflammation. Constriction because of the swelling. If it is the inflammation. If it is the internal organs, let's say stomach, abdomen, intestines, etc. तो क्यों constriction? नहीं पता. वॉमिटिंग होता है या जब डायरिया होता है तो क्या होता है साथ में? डिस्टेंशन होता है कि नहीं होता है? उसकी वजह से कौन? And it's just a sensation. It doesn't give rise to actual cramps. Capsicum as a remedy, actual cramps नहीं है. So great weariness, though not enforcing sleep, complete exhaustion. So this is the later phases when बार inflammation आके गया. All senses are more acute. ये कब होगा? In the inflammation itself, no? आप imagine करो आपको इधर लगी है inflammation हुआ है तो are you not more sensitive to touch over here? Same way these senses are very much more acute. This is the first stage. Aching now in one part, now in another. Which means the inflammation is also shifting. Which other remedies we know for wandering pains? Pulsatilla. Kali carb more. Kali carb, all kalis actually. Colophylum में है. I'm not sure. No, that is extending. It's not wandering. Wandering is ite makti ute. Here and there. Then we talked about constriction. And we also talked about the reason. Wherever we look at, constriction is a general sensation in capsicum. And the second one is of course burning. And the burning is described as जैसे मिर्ची लगाए. One thing which is given by Google is it has thread-like pains. Now, Google is very telegraphic, तो उसने इतना ही लिख के छोड़ दिया. I don't know whether he really meant this thread-like pain or he meant constriction itself. But he has given it and he has given it in bold. And when Google gives it, it is important. So I just take it at face value. थ्रेड-लाइक पेन होने चाहिए जैसे एरिया हम सीखा. हाँ तो myalgias are thread-like, no?
Thread-like means maybe in one
line
or one track.
Yes. Then he has also given tongue greenish at the base. Increased saliva, which we talked of right in the beginning, in the physiological action. And then there is this interesting thing, craving for stimulants. And stimulants में alcohol, smoking, everything, every stimulant, including, लिखा है उधर, including pungent things, including pepper itself, मतलब मिर्ची. And this many authors have given, which means mirchi in itself is addictive substance. इसलिए देखो जो लोग मिर्ची ज्यादा लेते हैं खाने में उनको दूसरा खाना पसंद नहीं आता है. Especially if you see the northeastern part of Maharashtra or those people, वो लाल मिर्ची डालते हैं ज्यादा, तो उनको दूसरा कहीं का खाना पसंद नहीं आता है. It is addictive. The more you take it, the more you want it. And interestingly, it has its effects as we saw. कि वो थोड़ा शुरुआत में तो एकदम stimulate कर देता है, which is what we know. And like all other stimulants, बाद में dull कर देता है, which we see in the drug picture. Okay. ये क्या है? ये अभी मैं in the flow I am just telling you कि everywhere we saw more acute senses in the generalities, but ये more acute senses in the first stage. Later stage में it will dull the senses. ठीक है? To the extent कि एक author ने दिया है कि आवाज किस तरफ से आ रही है समझ में नहीं आता. So it dulling of the senses and of the mind is part of when you stop taking mirchi. ठीक है? So what was I saying? ये addictive substance है और इसके effects आते हैं. Like I said, dulling is one of the effects. ये जो effects है, ये most of the authors have said, okay, one, आप मिर्ची खाते हो, आपने कम कर दिया, तो आपको ये dullness आ ही जाएगा. But अगर आप खाते हो, तो आपके बच्चों में भी आ जाएगा. हर ऑथर ने दिया है. So it is a fantastic remedy for children of persons addicted to either of these, to alcoholics, smokers, or even to mirchi eaters or any other substance. जिसको कोई addiction है, उसके बच्चों में अगर dullness दिख रहा है, you can use capsicum as a remedy. In most other remedies you will not find this, no, कि बच्चों में आ जाता है. Most other remedies, आप ओपियम लेते हो, आपको ओपियम से dullness जो आएगा वो आपको आएगा. Unless you are taking it when you are pregnant, तो बच्चों में आ जाएगा.
That's what the question is, like even if we are giving it to the children, whether it is something where the mother was craving during the pregnancy period, whatever mentioned, and then we give to the child, which makes a connectivity set.
नहीं वैसा नहीं बोला है.
वैसा
That's
नहीं
what I
है.
am
It
saying.
is just
Father is alcoholic, child might need capsicum just if it is dull.
अच्छा.
सिंपल. आप मिर्ची खाने वाले हो, आपने कम कर दिया, जो भी है, नहीं किया. बच्चे जब तक मिर्ची खाना शुरू नहीं करते तब तक अगर डल है तो कैप्सिकम दो. And one more thing is interesting in this कि ये craving for stimulants वगैरह जो है, alcohol का ये जो है craving, it reduces craving for alcohol. So in fact one of the authors has said कि capsicum का mother tincture, 1 tablespoon, which is 10 ml, in 1 liter of wine, you put. When the person drinks that wine, उसका कम हो जाएगा craving for alcohol.
I just recently have a patient. Last week he had, and his all health parameters are good, but he's saying I just want to ward off whiskey which I have been taking since 2 years, and I really want to get away from it. So
there are many remedies.
Yeah,
one of them
course.
is strophanthus, one of them is this, one of them is Quercus robur, but this is also present in capsicum, so you should consider. The other thing that when to consider this remedy is when this same person will stop on himself, by himself. If he stops, abstinence in customary alcoholics, ऐसा symptom लिखा है. जो alcoholic है उसने अगर बंद कर दिया अल्कोहल लेना तो उसके बाद जो मेनिया अपोटुल बोलते हैं ना अपने
हाँ।
मट्रामेडिया उसमें ये रेमेडी देना चाहिए when if the person has symptoms of burning, acidity, distension,
Withdrawal.
piles,
Yes.
trembling, redness which is cold, ये symptoms अगर है मेनिया अपोटू में तो देना चाहिए कैप्सिकम.
These are all withdrawal symptoms, right? I mean,
Not all withdrawal
Not
symptoms.
all, but
Especially trembling etc. is there. But वो भी है इसमें और इसके characteristics मैंने बताया अभी आपको. Okay, so mania apotu acid dyspepsia. These are the generalities.